Hi, good evening and welcome. Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we doing all right? I know I've been away for the whole week, but I say every week when I do a video, I am just really busy with work right now. So I just film when I can. And today being Friday, I thought, right, I can actually finish work early today and I can fit in a couple of videos. So that's what I'm doing. So today I am doing an unboxing. It's one of my food treaty snacky kind of boxes. I've already done one box, so this is the other one, and the box I'm doing today is SnackSurprise. So SnackSurprise are a UK based company. They have two main boxes. They've got a smaller one, which is the one I received, which is the original box, and that costs £12.99. Yeah, so the original box, which is the one I received, costs £12.99 per month. You get 10 full-size snacks, you get one drink which is included in every box, and it's a different country each month, and that's the main unique selling point of SnackSurprise. So we've had Korea, we've had France, we've had Germany, Netherlands, Spain, Greece, we've had all sorts of different countries, Italy as well. It's been great. Last month's box was France, and I can tell you now that everything bar one thing has been eaten very happily and within a few days of that box being opened. I think the things I enjoyed most in the box were, one, the little madeleines, because I love madeleines. Great cup of coffee in the morning, perfect. They had these little Haribo sweets, they were called Dragibus. Those were delicious. Now, if they were more easily available in the UK, they'd be, forget all the other Haribos which we get, they were delicious. They were like jelly beans, but they had all these lovely, lovely little tropical flavours. They were gorgeous. I did find a company, I can't remember which it was, where they sell sort of like big multi-bags where you can get sort of small little packets inside it. So I did buy, because it went down really well. I mean, Kayla, my niece Kayla, she had it, and it was like, and I managed to get 2 or 3. It was like, okay, we need to get more of these. Can't remember the name of the company I bought them from, but I did. I went ahead and bought 2 of those multi-bags from them. So that was very popular. What else was there that was really good? I think, oh, the drink, there was a drink in there from Oasis, and it was a tropical drink. That was really nice. It was very refreshing. It wasn't sweet. It was like a sparkling water flavoured. It was just a really nice, refreshing taste. No horrible artificial flavours in it. It was just a really tasty drink, so I had that. There was a chocolate thing which I put away for me to eat, and it was one that reminded me of, I can't remember what it was called, but it reminded me of Topic, which we used to have in the UK. So it was like chocolate, nuts, nougat and all that sort of thing. Caramel. Really looking forward to eating that. Did I get it? I asked who ate it, no one's admitting to it, but it's gone and it was eaten. So everything in last month's box was eaten very quickly and enjoyed. The only thing that hasn't been eaten, which I thought would have been eaten quite quickly, were the little mini pizza sort of snack things in there. So that's still in my snack area in the kitchen, but everything else was eaten very quickly. Nice box, really, really nice box. So yes, let's get on and see what we've got for this month, September. So as I was saying, so the original box, you get 10 full-size items, 1 drink included, new country each month, you get an information guide included, and you can get your first box within a week of your first order, so that's great. I have got a referral code down below. I believe it is just Sussex Sandra, so I will put it on the screen just above here, and a link will also be down in the description box as well if you want to get it. The next size box is the premium box, and that you'll get 20 full-size items, or 20 plus I should say, full-size snacks. Again, you get 1 drink, different country each month again. You'll still get your information guide. Yeah, and it's all the same. So shipping is free for addresses inside the UK, and the premium box costs £24.99 per month. If you want to see what is inside the premium box, I believe Willow Biggs, I think her channel is just called Willow Biggs, I believe she receives the premium box in PR as well. And that's what I didn't say as well. This box is gifted to me each month from SnackSurprise. I only get the original because I'm a smaller channel, so fair enough. The box did come at the beginning of the week, but as I said, I have been rather busy. And again, Royal Mail seems to have been throw my box around. So last month's box when I got it, it was all mashed up, things were practically falling out of it. This month again, they've done that. This time they've given me a little bag, says item damaged before arrival in UK. That's what it's got on the bag there. And they're saying if anything is missing or damaged, I've got a number to ring. Let's hope it's not, but it's like, why are my boxes always arriving damaged? It's not good, is it? So let's have a look. Okay, yeah, this is how the box looks last month as well, completely like that. Okie dokie, so let's see what country we got this month. I am always intrigued to see what country they get their stuff from. So let's have a go. And I have enjoyed each month. I think the only month that's been a little bit questionable was the Greek month. I don't think they picked the best to represent Greece that month, but hey, that's not bad. Out of what, 6 boxes, that's not bad. To get one which is a little bit flaky. I can't open it. Here we go. I'm trying to open this so everything doesn't spill out all over the floor. Right, okay. I'm just going to have to pour it out on my desk because otherwise... Yep, I think that's the best way for me to do it. Right, let's get it. What we got? So the country this month is Sweden. Look at that, Sweden. I suddenly thought of the Swedish chef from the Muppet Show. So what do I think? Sweden. I think very clean. I think typical images of blonde girls, the kind of thing that Donald Trump would love. Lots of blonde women over there. I also think IKEA, meatballs. Yeah, Swedish meatballs. I really don't know anything about Sweden. I think green, Copenhagen. I don't know much about Sweden, so I better shut up really before I really embarrass myself. What have we got? And I've never been there, obviously. So what we got here? So we've got Sweden, September 2020. Find the Sweden flag. So we've got a little game on the back there. And yeah, let's go through and see what we've got. So, oh, I didn't realise they've got a mini box now as well. So there's a mini box which costs £6.99 as well now. So you've got 3 boxes available. Mini box, £6.99. Original box, which is, what did I say, is £12.99. And then you've got the premium box, which is £24.99. Okay, so in the mini box you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the mini box. Right, what do they say about Sweden? Sweden, Stockholm, the capital of Sweden. So Copenhagen's not Sweden? Oh, I don't know. Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, has been called the Venice of the North because it is a city built around water with 14 islands and 57 bridges. Ooh. Most people are probably aware that Sweden has a lot of forests. I didn't know. But the fact is that 2/3 of the total country land area is covered by forests with a total area of 280 or 280, is that right? 280,680 kilometers squared. Okay. North Korea currently owes 2.7 billion Swedish kroners, I don't know what that is, 240 million pounds to Sweden, as it did not pay for 1,000 Volvo cars that it ordered in 1974. Wow. Oh, that's not good, is it? So Sweden is home to the famous cathedral in the village of, oh dear, Jukkasjärvi. The hotel is crafted. Oh, so Sweden is home to the famous ice hotel in the village of Jukkasjärvi or Jukkasjärvi. I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. The hotel is crafted each year from 2-ton blocks of ice from the nearby Trome River. Wow. Everyone loves to take a break from work when they can, but in Sweden the idea is baked into the culture. The practice is called, oh dear, what's that say? Called fika, and it is recognised break twice daily where workers enjoy coffee, cake and a chat. Oh, that sounds lovely. I mean, I do that anyway, you don't have to tell me to do that. One of the most popular flavours of ice cream in Sweden is salmiakki, salty licorice, which can also be coal black in colour. Ooh. There you go. I've noticed licorice seems to be quite a prominent flavour because I think in the Netherlands, in the Dutch box we received, there was quite a lot of licorice flavoured items in there. So it seems to be something about some of those more northern European countries. They seem to like licorice a lot. I think the other thing I think about when I think about Sweden, and I'm probably getting this wrong as well, I think about sort of fish, sort of oily fish. Am I thinking about the right country for that? Don't know. Let me get on in there because I know I'm going to get myself in a whole load of trouble if I keep on trying to guess. Oh, the first thing I've seen, which is something I really like, and I do get this from Ocado occasionally, but I've stopped buying it because it costs so much. So I'll show it to you because I recognise it straight away. It's these cheesy doodles, cheese doodles. It's a crunchy mild cheese flavoured corn puffs. They are one of Sweden's favourite snack with a packet sold every 3 seconds. I really like these. They're like Whatsits but umped up in flavour and superior and crunch, taste, texture, everything. Really like these. Ocado do sell these, but it's like something like £2.15 I think it is for a packet. It's a big family size packet, but it's still very expensive. But I do like these, so it's like a treat if I do buy it occasionally from Ocado. But yum, that's mine. This time I'm going to have to hide it because my lot will just take it away. I'm just going to turn the light on. Again, it's that time of the evening and I think I can get away with doing it in daylight, but the light is disappearing quickly. So let me just turn the light on. Right, next is, let's have a look. So this is, I'm going to really struggle with these words here, but you can see the spelling there. Dijongelvral? I don't know. So this super salty monkey is a favourite among candy lovers. It's a must for anyone that calls themselves a licorice lover. I do like licorice, but I wonder if this is going to be too strong. But I'm going to try this out. I can't see anybody else in my family eating this because I am the licorice lover in the house. So that'll be interesting. I'm not going to eat anything because the last time I ate anything on camera, I ended up choking for a very long time. So I'm going to not do it today. Try to be semi-professional at least. Right, next, let's do this. Oh, we've got something else from the same brand, OLW. So this is All Dill and Graslock. These are potato crisps flavoured with dill and chives for that unique and summery Swedish dill flavour. Okay, so we've got a packet of crisps. I noticed we always get a packet of crisps inside SnackSurprise boxes. Then we always get a chocolatey thing. So this is from Dumle Snacks. Dumle Snacks, delicious chocolate and sweet toffee combined with crispy rice, which will give you energy when you need it. Yum yum. This sounds like toffee crisp. That's what I'm thinking. It's like an equivalent to toffee crisp in the UK. Looks nicer, doesn't it? So that will get eaten by niece, daughter, one of them. Next we've got... Yeah, they always give us a sort of savoury thing, and these are the things that tend to get left by my family. Right, so what we got here? So this is a Vasa sandwich, a whole grain rye crisp bread sandwich with a creamy filling of cheese, tomato and basil. It is the perfect snack on the go. I have to admit that sounds pretty awful. Shh, I didn't say that too loudly, did I? Oh dear, that sounds horrible. Me. Shh. I've got to behave before they stop sending me these boxes. Right, next, what have we got here? We have a double nougat. So a light and exquisite almond nougat and dark creamy hazelnut nougat combined for an enjoyable taste experience. If I don't eat this, my husband might eat that. He might eat it. He's on a bit of a health kick at the moment, so he's even gone out running now. So he's gone out running and I'm sitting here looking at sweets and chocolate. It's all good, isn't it? That's what you call a balanced marriage. Right, we've got two of these. So these are little things called keks. These are keks. We've got two of them. And these are, let's have a look. These are Keks Chocolade. Cloetta started making these chocolate covered wafers as early as 1921 and they've been a Swedish hit ever since. So we get those, that's good. Next is, I'm trying to see what they are. So these are CLARINS. All of these, well, you can see the spelling there, but I will put it on the screen as well because I know I am butchering any form of pronunciation here. So CLARINS, small fruity marshmallow sweets in the delightful shape of a little car. They are the most popular car in Sweden. Oh, that's sweet. I'll give that to Kayla. I don't like marshmallows. Am I really weird? I really don't like marshmallows at all. And next is this. Oh, this feels solid. This is a Delicato ball, a delicious chocolate ball with a mocha flavour and rolled in coconut. It's perfect with a cup of coffee. Okay, so it's another morning breakfasty sort of thing. Cool. Two more things. Here's the drink. So I always like the drinks. So this is a Trocadero, a classic, wonderfully refreshing drink flavoured with apple and orange. It was launched in Sweden in the early 1950s. There you go. And the final item in the box is a Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti, a cheerful assortment of fruity flavoured sweets that are made with natural colours and are suitable for vegans. Cool. Well, this is something that I can open. I'm pretty certain I won't choke on this. Okay. So there, these look like that. Looks to be all the same colour inside there. Can you see that? Okay, it's just a sort of gummy sweetie. Okay, cool. So that is my box from SnackSurprise this month. Nice array of products here. We've got savoury and sweet, we've got crunchy, we've got soft, and then we've got a drink. That's all good. So that's my box this month. If you're interested in subscribing to SnackSurprise, as I said, I have got a referral code down below. It's in the description box, and if it's not a long one, it's just something I can never remember what my referral code is. I believe it is just Sussex Sandra. And if it is, I'll put it on the screen just above. So yeah, if you want to get hold of it, use the referral code and get a discount off your first box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below, because you know that really helps my algorithms. And please don't forget to comment down below as well. Alright, thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Take care and be safe out there, guys.